Welcome! Get ready to embark on a journey to a place where the sun always shines, the water sparkles, and adventure is around every corner. Today, we're heading to a Caribbean paradise that's both exotic and familiar. The U.S. Virgin Islands, a destination that feels worlds away, yet is just a short flight from the U.S. mainland. This stunning U.S. territory is made up of three main islands, St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix, each offering its own slice of paradise. Each island has its own unique personality, inviting you to explore and discover what makes them special. St. Thomas is lively and great for shopping, with bustling harbors, luxury boutiques, and a vibrant nightlife that keeps the island buzzing long after sunset. St. John is a nature lover's dream, where two-thirds of the island is protected as a national park, offering pristine beaches, hiking trails, and untouched beauty. And St. Croix is rich in history and culture, with charming towns, colorful architecture, and a blend of Caribbean and European influences. The scenery is breathtaking. Imagine turquoise waters, powdery white sand, and lush green hills that roll down to the sea, creating postcard-perfect views at every turn. The local culture blends Caribbean traditions with American influences, making everyone feel welcome, whether you're here for a quick getaway or a longer escape. The people, Crucians, St. Thomians, and St. Johnians, are proud, friendly, and always ready to share a story or a smile, making visitors feel like part of the island family. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or a deep dive into history, these islands have it all. There's something for every type of traveler. Scuba dive in world-class reefs teeming with marine life, hike through lush rainforests filled with tropical birds and hidden waterfalls, or simply lounge on some of the world's most beautiful beaches. Explore colonial towns, visit old sugar plantations, and discover the stories that shape these islands. Immerse yourself in the island's fascinating past by touring forts, museums, and historic sites that bring history to life. The U.S. Virgin Islands offer something for every traveler. Do everything or nothing at all. Savor local cuisine, try new activities, or just soak up the sun. This guide will help you plan your own unforgettable adventure, from getting there to the best things to see, do, and eat, so you can make the most of your time in paradise. Think of this as your personal roadmap to discovering the magic of America's Caribbean paradise. Connect with nature, experience vibrant culture, and let your curiosity lead the way. Make memories that last a lifetime with family, friends, or even on a solo adventure. There's no wrong way to experience these islands. So pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and get ready for an experience you'll never forget. America's Caribbean paradise is waiting for you, full of surprises and unforgettable moments. Let's begin this journey together and see what wonders await. Traveling to the U.S. Virgin Islands is a breeze, especially for Americans. The islands offer a unique blend of Caribbean charm and familiar comforts, making your arrival feel both exciting and effortless. Located just east of Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands are easily accessible with direct flights from many major U.S. cities, including Miami, Atlanta, and New York. In just a few hours, you can trade city life for island paradise. The main airports are Cyril E. King on St. Thomas and Henry E. Rolson on St. Croix, both welcoming thousands of visitors each year with modern facilities and friendly staff. Ferries connect St. Thomas and St. John, offering stunning sea views and a relaxing way to travel between islands, while seaplanes provide a quick and scenic hop to St. Croix, giving you a bird's-eye view of the sparkling Caribbean. Inter-island travel is simple, affordable, and adds to the adventure, letting you experience the unique character of each island. English is the official language, so communication is easy and stress-free. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or chatting with new friends, you'll feel right at home. You'll also hear the melodic local dialect, Virgin Islands Creole, which adds a vibrant layer to the cultural experience and gives you a taste of the island's rich heritage. Don't hesitate to chat with locals. They're always happy to share their island life, offer tips, and make you feel welcome. The U.S. dollar is the official currency, making transactions seamless for American visitors. You won't need to worry about currency exchange or conversion rates. ATMs are widely available and credit cards are accepted at most hotels, restaurants, and shops, so accessing your money is never a hassle. Still, it's a good idea to carry a bit of cash for small purchases, local markets, or when exploring more remote areas where cards might not be accepted. No need to worry about exchange rates or currency swaps. Just bring your dollars and you're set. This ease of travel, language, and money is a big reason why the U.S. Virgin Islands are so popular with families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Every step of your journey is designed to be smooth and welcoming, from the moment you land to your first ferry ride. The warmth of the people and the lively markets make every day feel like a celebration. Paying for your adventures is quick and easy, so you can spend more time exploring. With language and money this easy, you can focus on enjoying paradise, soaking up the sun, and making unforgettable memories. Whether you're hiking, snorkeling, or shopping, everything is set up for a stress-free experience. So pack light, bring your sense of adventure, and let's keep moving. The U.S. Virgin Islands enjoy warm tropical weather year-round. Think sunny skies and gentle trade winds. The dry season, December to May, is perfect for outdoor fun, while June to November brings brief, refreshing showers and fewer crowds. Pack light, casual clothes, swimsuits, cover-ups, and sun protection are essentials. Don't forget reef-safe sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, and a reusable water bottle. Comfortable sandals are great for the beach, but bring sturdy shoes if you plan to hike. Travel insurance is smart, especially during hurricane season. A little preparation ensures a smooth, comfortable trip. Ready to pack? Let's talk about where to stay. From luxury resorts to cozy guest houses, the U.S. Virgin Islands have accommodations for every style and budget. Resorts like the Ritz-Carlton on St. Thomas or the Buccaneer on St. Croix offer pampered stays with pools, private beaches, and on-site dining. For a more local experience, try family-run guest houses or vacation rentals, great for groups or those who want to cook. Hostels and motels provide affordable options for budget travelers. Choose your location based on your vibe. Stay in lively towns like Charlotte-Amalie or Christiansted for action, or opt for a quiet retreat on St. John or the west end of St. Croix. Book early during high season for the best spots and prices. No matter where you stay, island hospitality will make you feel at home. Now that you've found your home base, let's explore how to get around. Exploring the islands is easy, with options for every traveler. Renting a car gives you freedom. Just remember, driving is on the left. Taxis are plentiful and operate on set fares. Always confirm your price before you ride. Shared taxis and public buses are affordable ways to get around, though schedules can be unpredictable. Towns like Charlotte-Amalie and Christiansted are walkable, and biking is an option for the adventurous. No ride-sharing apps here, so stick to traditional transport. However you travel, every journey comes with stunning views. Let's see what fun awaits for all ages. The U.S. Virgin Islands are a playground for all ages. Families love the calm waters of Magens Bay and Trunk Bay, perfect for swimming and sandcastles. Coral World Ocean Park on St. Thomas lets kids meet marine life up close, while Buck Island's snorkeling trail on St. Croix is like swimming in an aquarium. Adults can dive shipwrecks, kayak mangroves, or unwind at a spa or beach bar. Shopping in Charlotte-Amalie's duty-free stores is a treat for grown-ups. Sailing trips, historical sites, and hiking are fun for everyone. Charter a boat, explore old forts, or climb the 99 steps in Charlotte-Amalie. Whether you want adventure or relaxation, you'll find it here. Now, let's taste the islands. Get ready for a culinary adventure in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Savor local dishes like callaloo, fungi, stewed oxtail, and fresh seafood. Don't miss the conch fritters. Grab quick bites from food trucks. Johnny cakes and pâtés are must-tries. Rum is king here. Tour the Cruisin' Rum Distillery and sample the signature painkiller cocktail. Nightlife is laid back but lively, with beach bars, live music, and harborfront strolls in Cruz Bay, Christiansted, and Red Hook. The atmosphere is always friendly and safe. Now let's explore the island's natural wonders. The U.S. Virgin Islands are a breathtaking showcase of natural beauty, where turquoise waters meet lush green hills and endless blue skies. Discover world-famous beaches like Trunk Bay, with its powdery white sand and crystal clear water, and Magens Bay, a favorite for both locals and visitors. Or unwind at Sandy Point, a pristine stretch of shoreline on St. Croix, each beach offering its own unique charm and atmosphere. Virgin Islands National Park on St. John invites you to explore miles of hiking trails, winding through lush tropical forests and past centuries-old historic ruins. The famous Reef Bay Trail leads you past mysterious sugar plantation ruins and ancient petroglyphs carved by early island inhabitants, ending at a secluded, tranquil beach. Snorkel vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful sea life, where you might spot sea turtles, rays, and schools of tropical fish. Or dive deeper to explore mysterious shipwrecks, remnants of the island's storied maritime past. Kayak in glowing bioluminescent bays on St. Croix for a magical nighttime adventure where every paddle stroke lights up the water beneath you. Camp at Cinnamon Bay for a rustic, unforgettable experience by the sea, falling asleep to the sound of gentle waves. From panoramic mountain peaks to the vibrant ocean depths, nature lovers will truly feel like they've found paradise here. Let's see how you can take a piece of the island's home. The U.S. Virgin Islands are rich in history, art, and unique souvenirs. Explore historic towns with Danish colonial architecture, Charlotte Amalie, Christiansted, Frederiksted, and Cruz Bay. Climb the 99 steps or visit Fort Christiansvern for a glimpse into the island's past. Hike to Anneberg Sugar Plantation ruins to learn about the island's complex history. Discover local art galleries and meet talented artists. Take home a painting, sculpture, or handmade jewelry. Shop for crafts, hot sauces, and local rum at markets and small shops. Every souvenir is a memory of the island's sun, sea, and spirit. Bring home more than just a keepsake. Bring back the magic of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Start planning your adventure today. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more inspiration and travel tips, visit the official U.S. Virgin Islands website. Your next adventure awaits.